Imagine this. You're trying to upgrade your productivity setup in 2025, and you keep seeing people compare AFFINE and Outline. Both look powerful. Both promise to streamline your work, but which one actually makes a real difference? AFFiNE is built for all-in-one creativity. You get docs, whiteboards, databases, Kanban views, and a very flexible canvas. It's great if you like mixing notes, diagrams, and planning in one place. The offline support is solid, and the whole platform feels more visual and modern. But the catch? Because it does so much, it can feel a little heavy or overwhelming if you only need simple notes. Outline, on the other hand, is focused on clean, structured knowledge management. It's perfect for teams that want clear folders, fast search, and a Notion-style wiki without the clutter. It's simpler, easier to maintain, and more stable for long-term documentation. But it's not as flexible for brainstorming, sketching ideas, or building complex workflows. So here's the reality. AFFiNE wins if you want creativity, visuals, and versatility. Outline wins if you want simplicity, speed, and clean organization. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest productivity tool breakdowns.